Functional areas. Location introduction. Loading. Preheating oven. Paint room. Curing oven. Cooling section. Unloading. Automatic powder coating line. Forklift loading. (5,000 kilograms) plus 5,000 kilograms, electric hoists, synchronous lifting and lowering, wireless remote control. The workpiece undergoes preheating treatment. Curing oven temperature. Pack, -220 degrees Celsius. The workpiece undergoes painting in the powder coating booth. The workpiece undergoes curing treatment in the curing chamber. Curing oven temperature. Pack, -220 degrees Celsius. After cooling, the workpiece is unloaded using a forklift. Intelligent coating equipment manufacturer.